go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hi guys, and welcome back. Today's video is sponsored by Larima hair on Amazon, and here is the wig out of the package. As you can see, it is tightly coiled with the bands to tighten up the wig. The wig had about 4 combs in it, and yeah, you guys, let's get ready to put this wig on. So as you guys can see, this wig is a headband wig. This is my first headband wig, and I am excited to put it on and style it. So yeah, you guys, finish watching and see how it comes out. Okay guys, so right now I'm just pretty much just trying to comb it out a little bit because I kind of wanted to have that, you know, natural, like full look. But so far guys, I am loving the curliness of this wig because it looks so much like my natural hair. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna finish combing this out and giving it that big luxurious look. Okay guys, so the headband wig came with 2 different headbands, this leopard one here and another colorful one, but I will put both on to show you how it looked. Okay guys, so here's the finished look of my headband wig. Right now I have the leopard headband on, and then it's going to switch over to the colorful headband. Definitely let me know what headband that you guys like the best down in the description bar. Yeah, you guys, continue to watch and see what my thoughts on this wig was. Okay guys, now that you've seen how I installed this headband wig, let me just give you some details about what I thought about it. I purchased this wig from Amazon, and this wig is 100% human hair. It's a headband wig, and actually it is my first headband wig ever. So this wig again came from Amazon, and it is 100% human hair. It's 14-inch. And when I got the wig, it was like the curls were like much tighter, and of course in the video you see me kind of combing the curls out to make it much bigger. And to be honest with you, this wig pretty much remind me of my natural hair, but somehow I really don't wear my natural hair out because I'm not gonna say I don't like my natural hair, I just don't like wearing it in its natural state. But the overall wig was pretty good. It's easy. I mean, it's an easy wig you can just pop on, you know, to go out to do anything, because all you doing is pretty much creating your baby hairs in the front, and the back of your hair, you know, don't look like anything. So that's the good thing about these wigs. You can just kind of just prop them on and bam, you brand new. So I mean, overall I do like the headband wig. The hair was, you know, pretty good. When I got the hair, it did have a slight smell to it. It wasn't a bad smell. It's definitely something you can wash out. And the good thing about this hair, again, it is human hair. So if you guys want to take like rod rollers and curl it that way, or take your wand and curl it, you could. Or if you just want to wash it and maybe blow it out, you could definitely do that too. Or if you want to color it, you can also color it to get another color. But if I had to rate this headband wig, you guys, out of a 10, I would definitely give it a 9. I'll take a point off for the smell, but overall this wig was pretty good. I like it. It's easy, especially for a person like me that don't quite like to do my hair a lot, believe it or not. So this wig is perfect for this. But yeah, overall, you guys, I definitely like the wig. It was okay. The wig did come with 2 headbands. This one and the leopard one. Now, the leopard one is a little snug. That's why I don't have this one on, because it's just too tight. But I do like the leopard though. This pretty much, I ain't gonna say goes with anything, but I do like it. But I prefer to put this one, leave this one on, because it's not as tight as the leopard one. But either you can wear it with the headbands that they sent you, or you can just wear it the way it is, because again, it is a headband wig. So you can just wear it like this and it seems as if you just have a black headband on. So it's totally up to you how you want to wear it. You can wear it any kind of way and people would think it's your real hair, because it looks like your real hair. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all I have to say about this wig. If you guys want to purchase this wig, I'll leave everything down in the description bar with the link. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video.